Good morning everyone, welcome to another video, and today we're in the home of the European champions, Liverpool! Yay! Today we're supposed to hike Snowdonia, but the weather is not that amazing. Yeah, it is a bit rainy and gloomy.
But we are still 2 hours away from Wales.
Yeah. Oh yeah, so we're not sure. We might hike today. And we're with Bahri again. Hi. Remember Bahri from the European Adventures? Yeah, this is Bahri.
Hello,
hey.
it's me again.
Yay! Okay, can't wait. For now, I won't talk too much because I'm very, very hungry. Are you hungry?
Yes.
Super hungry. Are you hungry?
Yep, I'm hungry. We're gonna rent a car today again.
We're gonna rent a car. Okay, we need to check properly this time because the one in Scotland, we got charged £150 for a slight scratch on the rim. Not even sure whether it's our fault. So,
No,
okay.
I think that's a scam.
It could be a scam. So anyway, let's get breakfast. Guys, all of these, like this is a buffet breakfast and so many choices you can see just now. And it's only $6.35, $6.25 around there per person, which is good because it's unlimited refill. Stock up on these guys. I forgot to tell you guys where we're staying. We're staying at YHA Hostel. This place is quite amazing, good value, and the rooms are quite nice. And we got the whole dorm for ourselves, so yeah, that's quite a good deal. So Bahri, good recommendation from Bahri. Ta-ta-ta-ta, all done. And we got the car! Yippee! Bahri, are you happy?
Yes, I'm happy.
Yeah, because we got a free upgrade. We booked like a Toyota Aygo or something, and we got a Volkswagen Golf. Oh my god! This is like Scotland again, where we booked like Hyundai i10 and we got the Audi A3. So, well, quite a deal. We only paid very minimal amount for all this. Oh my goodness. Hopefully we don't scratch anything. Oh man, so nice. Volkswagen Golf. So we're on the road. Just now we actually went through a toll where we paid £1.80. A lot of you will be confused, like UK and tolls. There's hardly any tolls in UK, it's true. There's actually only like a few, less than 10, probably less than 5 tolls in the whole of UK, and we went through one of them. So unlucky. You can actually drive from London all the way to Scotland and you won't go through a single toll. That's how few tolls there are in the UK. Guys, so we managed to get here to the start of the trail to Capacurig. The drive here was amazing. The views is pretty epic. It's just that it's a bit cloudy today, sadly, which is why we didn't manage to climb Snowdonia today, unfortunately. Yeah, Amalia is not even sure whether this is the correct trail. So we're supposed to walk up to Muel Siabot, but we're at Capacurig. Maybe we have to walk across the road and then we go through here. I think that's the way.
The one that is for starts at Plus Eben. What is that?
Apparently we're at the wrong starting point of the trail. It was what? This is one of them. Yeah? It's just that it's not the one that we wanted to go to, but it's okay. It might be quite nice and we are ready to be surprised. And the drive here, like I said, was beautiful. And we get to see a lot of different signs in different languages because now we're in Wales, so there are signboards in Welsh, and Welsh can be quite interesting because they have one town here with probably one of the longest names ever. I'm gonna put it at the bottom here because I'm not gonna even try to pronounce it. Can you try to pronounce it?
Go.
Go. Maybe we'll go to that town to show you guys whether this is really a town or it's just a hoax. But for now, check out the view, guys. We're gonna start climbing this. It's called Mo Siabot. Yeah, we're gonna do that trail right now. So let's go. Bahri, can you try to say that in their language?
I can certainly try. Binva ikin ol brifor trag quit achartuk. 100 meter.
Good one, good one. Oh my god, so serene, so peaceful, so beautiful. And you have sheep grazing over there next to, I don't know what plant is that, but it definitely looks really nice. And you have that view, let me show you, that view behind you. What more can you ask for? I can retire here. Hey Bari. So how is it so far? Is UK nature better than Netherlands?
Well, Netherlands doesn't really have nature. No, there is some nature, but there are no mountains and so on.
So UK is better?
Yeah,
okay.
Sure.
Okay, you heard it first from Bahri in Foogie's vlog 2019. The Dutch government might be reluctant to give you citizenship. Yeah. I'm joking.
I think Dutch will complain a lot. What?
Have you not seen Castle de Haar?
There are some nice areas.
Oh, there are. Yeah, there is a race today, see? Everyone's running past. Just have to stay clear. Time to sit down and chill and eat lunch. By the way guys, we brought this all the way from Malaysia. Look at that. Ayam brand chili tuna. Against the world. Dun, 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 dun.
Yeah, that was really good. It's not hot enough though.
No, it's not.
How many? Oh, that's only 3 chili. You can buy one with 5 chili. It's gonna be even more spicy.
This is for noob.
This is for noob. Noob like us. Okay, tummy is full with all that chili tuna. Spicy. And it's time to head to the top. Vamos a la playa. I think that's the top. Yeah, that's the thing about British mountains. They kind of deceive you. Like, if you missed my video on Ben Nevis, remember to click here. When we were climbing Ben Nevis, we kept thinking that is definitely the top. When we climbed up that ridge, it was not the top. There was another one. And then when we climbed up to the other ridge, there was another one that went on for like, I think 5 times. Until eventually, we got to the top. So, yeah, British mountains can be quite deceiving. Guys, so we are at the top. It was, I think it was a 3-hour hike to get here. 2 hour plus, 2 hour half, not sure. But it's not that high, but the last part is quite steep. And it's quite easy to get lost, so just remember to follow the trail. Don't go out of the trail because it might seem tempting to do so because it seems like it's gonna be faster to get up to the top, but you might get lost. But for now, it seems like the fogginess is clearing away, revealing that amazing view right there. We are so lucky. All you have to do is just wait a while. The fog might clear and you might get this kind of view, but the wind, oh my goodness, the wind. Not sure whether you can hear it in the microphone, but yeah, the wind is quite strong. Wow, this is beautiful, amazing. Oh no!
Treading on a thin line, hitting rock bottom. I need the strength to pull
Alright, it's time to get down. The next shot is probably from the car. So we're back in the car. It took us about 2 hours plus to go back down. It's quite a long way, man. This is supposed to be a warm-up hike, but it is quite like a proper hike, right?
Yeah, I love it.
Yeah.
It's good.
How are you, Bahri?
Good. Yeah.
Excited for tomorrow, Snowdonia?
Was tougher than I thought.
Snowdonia?
Yes, excited.
Excited? Yippee! Okay, for now we're gonna go and get dinner probably, and then we're gonna check into where are we going to? Better Sea Coed.
But yeah, something like that. I don't
Eagle
know.
something.
Yeah. Okay, let's go. I guess it's time to have fish and chips. Dun, 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 dun. This is fish and chips, a specialty of Wales and England and Scotland and Northern Ireland. And you add bon chabe to it. Bon chabe is a specialty of Indonesia. So this is a fusion dish we're creating right over here. And then we also ordered some scampi and chips. Scampi is like a type of, it's like a crayfish or lobster, not even sure. And then you just dip with that with some bon chabe, and then you eat. Fish and chip, I'm gonna eat it by hand. And on that tasty note, I guess it's time to end the video. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up. If you dislike the video, give it a thumbs down. And as always, don't forget to subscribe. Choose live. Stay tuned for the Snowdonia episode tomorrow. And that means it will be published next week. Yeah, don't forget us. Don't forget Bahri. Don't forget Amalia.